You've finally finished your website. You've tested it thoroughly. It's responsive and fast. All looks great. Chances are that during the creation and testing of your site, you've used a popular browser, such as Chrome if you're a PC user, or Safari or Chrome if you're creating on a Mac. Now, during the final testing phase before you launch your venture out into the world, you do some cross-browser testing, only to find there's an issue on Internet Explorer and Edge browsers. If there was a browser school where all of the browsers go to learn, IE and Edge would be the two disruptive kids that didn't pay attention and were then confused on their CSS test. We ran into this very same situation recently when building this WordPress page using Divi. Here's how the page should look. And here's how it looks on Internet Explorer. And here's how it looks on Edge. It's a very grey experience. Our immediate thought was IE and Edge not supporting a CSS feature that Divi had used to achieve its colour overlay effect, and lo and behold, background blend mode that was used in the Divi module to overlay a colour onto a monochrome background image is not supported in IE and Edge. Rather than reworking what we'd already done, we thought, okay, the most simple way to get around this is to remove the background image on IE and Edge so that just the colour shows. As you can see, if I untick this image, the colour is now shown. To do this, there's a couple of neat CSS tricks. One will be recognised by Internet Explorer and the other will be recognised by Edge. Other browsers will just ignore it. Okay, so let's start. First of all, we need to be able to reference these sections so that we can make changes to them. To do this, we need to inspect the code and find its CSS class details, as can be seen here. Once we've been through them all, we'll have a list of 9 elements that we don't want to use an image. This is where the magic happens. For IE, we're going to do this. This is a Microsoft extension used by Internet Explorer that detects if a screen is being displayed in high contrast mode. As we're checking if this is active and if it isn't active, anything within this section will be executed on Internet Explorer. So we'll take this code and paste this into Divi and save it. Now we'll test on IE, and the background image is no longer shown and the colours can be seen. So let's check back on Edge. There's still a problem here, as Edge doesn't support MS High Contrast. So to get around this, we're going to use this Microsoft extension that is supported by Edge. And now let's add this code and save it. And now let's go back and check Edge. Yes, we have a colour. And if we inspect this, we can see that the colour has been triggered by this Microsoft extension. So that's it. If you're ever in a pickle with a layout on Internet Explorer or Edge, you can use this to add CSS that is specific to these browsers. If you liked this tutorial, please give us a like and subscribe for more helpful tips. You can find a link to our site below to a page with the IE and Edge code listed in it. Have fun!